Come test drive this 2009 Acura RDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Acura infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, a trip computer, heated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 13 speakers, ensuring optimum sound no matter where you're seated. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.